Guys, tell me one reason why you haven't started your goat farm. I travel a lot so that you guys can see what I'm seeing and we can all learn together and grow together. This is a very small setup in South Africa that has over 200 goats. Very small setup, easy to be done. I am here to buy goats. That's my car, that's my trailer. And I'm going to be selecting some of these beautiful goats and bring them to Ghana. But I don't know why you guys haven't started your goat farm, but I hope this inspires you to start this year.